Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button. Sorry. After just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again, tap on restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search keyboard from here. Click on keyboard, for example, click on storage cache. So if you want to fix this problem, so clear cache keyboard. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on again settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, scroll down and click on reset phone. And if you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings and click on reset, enter phone pin and you will see. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.